Circumference and area of a circle. Well, the circumference formula is 2 pi times radius. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's go ahead and use these formulas and take care of the problem. The circumference is 6 pi inches. What is the area in square inches? Express your answer in terms of pi. All right, so they said the circumference is 6 pi. We're not going to worry about labels or taking care of the labels for us. So that means this is 6 pi. All right, so we just go ahead and rewrite the circumference as 6 pi equals 2 pi r, and solve for r. What keeps r from being by itself? Multiply by 2 pi. The opposite of multiply by 2 pi is to divide by 2 pi. And we have to keep the balance of the equation. Divide both sides by 2 pi. So the pi's reduce. Pi's reduce. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. So, and everything here reduces. 2's in the pi's. Our radius is 3. So now we plug in 3 into radius. So area is equal to pi times 3 squared, pi times 9, and we usually put it out in front. 9 pi. Okay. See if they did it in a different style. Find the area. There's the formulas. Always write those out. Solve for radius. That's what we did. Looks like they did it one piece at a time. That's fine too. And radius of the circle is 3. Plug that into area. All right. Not bad. See what type of problems we get. Given circumference, find area. Given area, find circumference. Let's do the other type. Okay. So all the rest of them will be this style. All right. What's the first thing we do? Write out the formulas, the circumference and area. Do you remember? 2 pi r is circumference. Pi r squared is the area. Distance around, space inside. The area of a circle is 100 pi meters squared. What is the circumference in meters? Express the answer in terms of pi. Okay, so the area of the circle is 100 pi, and then we're not going to worry about labels. They're taking care of labels for us, so that's fine. So 100 pi for our area. So 100 pi is equal to pi r squared. And get r by itself, we divide by pi. Divide by pi. So now I get 100, the pi is canceled, equals r squared. What's the opposite of square? Square root. Do you remember what Mr. Sanders always says when you undo a square? You have to have the plus or minus. We're talking about a radius or a distance for a radius, which is always positive. Now we drop it. So what's the square root of 100? R is equal to 10. Once I have 10, don't forget, we want the circumference. We want the circumference. So I'm plugging in 10 for radius. So circumference is equal to 2 pi times 10. Multiplication is commutative, so it doesn't matter the order at which you do it in. So I'm going to go ahead and move it around. I'll move the 2 next to the 10. That turns into a 20 pi, and there's our circumference. 20 pi. And the rest of the problem should be similar. Okay. And they're doing it the similar style. Yep, find the radius, plug it in, done.